Good morning, RGS students. I hope you're all saying, "Good morning, Mrs. Graves." I miss hearing that every day, and I miss all of you. I'm in a spinny chair, so I tend to do this. Now, I'm also wearing my dog apron. Remember, my Who Let the Dogs Out apron. Like this one. Okay, so this week we are going to make art out of recycled objects. So we are going to go on a scavenger hunt around your house, and we're going to find things that are right in your house that you can use to make your art this week. I thought that would be a good idea since it's Earth Day in April, and since we're home, we see more of all of those things that we recycle than maybe normal. So let's use them and make some art, okay? Okay, boys and girls, I'm back. Today, we are going to make a minimalist flower vase. So, minimal vase and background, which means you just are not going to add a lot of detail. We are going to save the detail for the flowers in our vase. And at the end, if you have some jewels, this is a bottle cap, like a recycled cap. And this is all boxes. Boxes like pop can boxes, Kleenex boxes. I'll show you some more of those in a minute. But what we're going to do, cut leaves and flowers, and we're going to create a beautiful bouquet out of recycled boxes with a minimalist vase and a minimal background. Okay. So what you will need first is just a piece of white paper and a pencil. You are going to start by drawing your vase. So we like to use our hand as a guide. Okay? You can put your hand at the top and then scoot it down a little bit more, and that is going to be the top of your vase. This is a curved line. You all know how to make a curved line. Then your next line is going to be a curved line, but closer to the bottom. Try to make it about the same, maybe a little bit smaller. And if you want to make it even smaller, just erase a little bit. Then you're going to connect your top curved line and your bottom curved line. Now you want to make your table in the background. So a straight line across, and then pretend like you're drawing that imaginary line through your vase and out the other side. And remember, this is a minimalist vase. It's up to you if you would like to add a little design. Maybe you would like to add a couple stripes. You could add a few circles. I'll show you mine again. This is mine. Ooh, what kind of line is that? That's a zigzag line. I'm sure you all remembered what that is. Good job. Now, if you would like to Sharpie your vase, you can. If you don't have a Sharpie, you could use a marker, any color you would like. We like to Sharpie those lines so they look crisp and clean. So remember, if you're going to Sharpie every pencil line with the Sharpie. And then what do? We magic erase. Now, I did a pretty good job on my pencil lines, so I only have to magic erase a little bit. Okay, now comes the creative part. Ooh, you could find, look at, that's a Kleenex box. This is a Sprite box. This I thought was super pretty. This is from Brisk Tea. These are just a few examples. Now, I like on this one how I started off with 3 leaves. Now remember, in art, our eye likes to see odd numbers. So again, that would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So today I'm going to work with 3 leaves and 1, 2, 3 flowers. Okay, I'm going to set this aside again and work on my 3 leaves. Now with my Sprite box, because it's green, I'm going to cut. The nice thing about these boxes are they are thin, so they're very easy to cut. Let me move that out of the way. And save all your pieces. You might want a color for the center of your flower. And it's okay if you leave the flat edge on your leaf, because we'll be doing some overlapping. Ooh, I like this green. Oh, there we go. So, that's how I'm going to start my leaves. Again, I'll show you this, my example. There it is. Now I can work on my 3 flowers. I am loving this. Now, it's up to you if you would like to draw your flowers first. I have a few examples here of flower shapes. Just fun, creative. That one kind of looks like a tulip. This one is your normal flower shape or cloud shape. We have some spiky zigzag lines there. We're using circles, some leaf shapes. These could be fun little poppies. So what you can do with your marker, you can draw your flower shapes first. And then cut them out. And remember, if you draw on the cardboard side and you make a mistake, nobody is going to see it. Right? No. So I'm going to cut my flower out. And remember, the fun thing about this, you can pause me at any time and run and get your supplies. Ooh, so I might put this flower right here. If I did that, I might move my leaves around a little bit. And you can always remember, play with these until you glue them on. Now, let's see. I really like this color. And look at, that actually looks like a flower. If I want to cut that out, I could totally cut that out. And that might be pretty. So maybe I'll do that. Remember, it's good to recycle. And then you can name your flower. It could be a puffs flower. I really like this color. Look at it. That's fun. Puffs. And then this color is beautiful. I'm going to make a circle right in the middle of that one. Ooh, I could put it there. Or, look at, I have a lid here. I could put my lid there. And then put that in the middle. Way to recycle, right? Now, I might use a little bit of this one. I can make another circle. right there. And then, just like my other ones, if you have any fun little jewels, you could use glitter. If you have any glitter, I'll show you this one again. Do you see how I put a bottle cap with a jewel in the middle? This one I layered, and then I put some jewels around the outside or the top of my tulip, kind of my tulip flower. So maybe on this one, I want to put a jewel in the middle. Or if I have a couple of different jewels, maybe I want to add 3. Ooh, there's another blue. It's kind of fun. It accents the blue around the edge. Now in the middle of that flower, I think I might cut. Ooh. I'm going to take a piece of this Sprite box right here, and I'm going to cut a zigzag edged flower. Now remember, you can draw this first. Ooh, that looks nice. And then I might layer. So I'm going to use another piece of this orange puffs box. Cut out a little circle and layer it right there. Now you could always draw your flower too, maybe in the center. Ooh, what kind of line is that? If you said spiral, you're right. That's my favorite line, is the spiral line. So you can see how I was able to create a beautiful recycled cardboard flower bouquet. So there's my original. You can add all sorts of fun details and make it your own. And don't forget, when you're done, you want to sign your work. You can sign it kind of fancy too, like that. Then you feel like a real artist, like you all are. Now, minimalism. Remember, minimalism is where you don't add a lot of details. So my bottom is minimalism, and my top is a beautiful bouquet of recycled cardboard flowers. I hope you guys had fun with this project. I love and miss you all. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.